Hello, everyone. Today we're going to practice a short meditation to help bring peace and relaxation to our minds and bodies. Find a comfortable sitting position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest and belly rise. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. Repeat this a few times, focusing only on your breath. Now imagine a place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a serene garden, a quiet meadow, or a tranquil lakeside. Picture the details, the colors, the sounds, the scents. Feel yourself becoming part of this peaceful environment. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any thoughts that come to your mind. Just allow them to pass by like clouds in the sky. Stay connected to your breath and the soothing scene you've created. Feel a sense of calm spreading through your body like a gentle wave. Embrace this feeling of tranquility and let it wash away any stress or worries. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of inner calm with you throughout your day. Remember, you can always return to this meditation whenever you need a moment of peace. Thank you for joining me in this practice.